everybody, today I'm going to give you 5 things you can do to make your mother have a great birthday. Take notes. First, write her a song. Now, the lyrics aren't the hard part. The hard part is strumming. Now, as long as you strum better than this guy over here, you're probably up to mom's standards. Happy birthday! Ah! Yeah, you don't want to be like that guy. You want to be more like this guy over here. Happy birthday, Mom. We love you. Number 2, take her somewhere nice like out to dinner at a fancy restaurant or the spa. She will really, really love you for it. Number 3, draw her a card with lots of colors. Number 4, buy her some chocolates. I mean, if you buy her chocolates, she'll probably be as happy as this little 5-year-old over here. They're so good. And finally, number 5, buy her tons of Nerf swords and Nerf guns. I hope you've enjoyed my 5 things you should do to make your mom's B-Day a happy one.